Hi guys, Paul here at Paul Phillips Fix. Work lights. They got them in all different shapes and sizes. Most of them are overpriced.
As far as the kitchen comments, we're redoing a kitchen, so spare your comments, please. I don't want to hear it.
Here I got a LED work light I made. I believe it's a 100-watt LED. I'm going to show you where to get these on AliExpress. I bought this 15-foot extension cord from Amazon for like, I think it was $12. And then this light was like 22 or something like that. So for under 50 bucks, $40, what is it? 22 and 12? 34, but yeah. 34 bucks. You make yourself a nice work light. So I'm gonna get ready to solder this up. The supplies you will need is the work light. I'm blinding myself. It's like the sun, guys. Great lights. You're gonna need a heat source, either a little micro torch or a heat gun. I have a power probe, micro torch. Let me show it to you. Great torch, power probe, micro torch kit. I actually have the kit, but I have another torch that I got for cheaper that fits all the components from the power probe micro torch kit. You can buy it with the torch, but I chose just to get the kit because I had a micro torch already. Let me go get that. I'll be right back. GoPro, stop recording. All right, guys. I have these solderless connectors. They come in all different sizes. You can buy different kits. I'll put a link for them as well. I also have regular heat shrink and marine grade heat shrink that has watertight seal in it. It has a sealant in there as well. So these actually have watertight sealant on them, but I want to protect all of the solder joints. So what I'm going to do now is take my torch and just heat that connector there. This is a Bernzomatic torch, by the way, that I have. So you just heat that connector. I don't want to get the other ones. Got low temperature solder in there that will melt. It's okay if it goes on fire a little bit. And I burned that one. GoPro, stop recording. Okay guys, I have some low temperature solder heat connectors. These are great. I'll put a link for you. I'm making my own work light here. These have a waterproof sealant on them, but I'm using a marine grade shrink wrap that I'm going to put around all of this to waterproof and strengthen these connections. So I did 2 of them already. You have to let these set down and cool down before you disturb them. I have moved them when they're hot and the wires poke through them. So just something to keep in mind. So you strip the wires as you would making any connection. Put them together near the solder joint. Then you're going to heat them. I have a Bernzomatic torch with a power probe torch kit attachments that work great with this Bernzomatic torch. You got to do research, guys. There's only so many companies out there manufacturing these things, and all these companies go to them and they jack up the prices because it's got their name brand on it. So if you do your research, you can save yourself some money and get the same equipment or parts and stuff for a lot less. I think I ran out of gas. Of course, everything that can go wrong will go wrong while I'm filming. It never fails. It absolutely never fails. go, solder melted. Don't disturb that for about a minute. Let it cool down. Now I hope my shrink wrap, my marine grade shrink wrap, is not going to be too big. All right, none of these have poked through, which is a good thing. This is the marine grade shrink wrap with the waterproof sealant in it. It's still hot. That's got to cool down for a minute. GoPro, stop recording. All right, I gave that about 45 seconds or so to cool down a little bit. Still hot. I'm going to try to absorb some of the heat with my fingers. I don't want my shrink wrap starting to shrink on me because of the heat from that. Pretty toasty. Got that on there. Oh my God, the torch worked right away. Amazing. See the sealant leaking out on the end here, which is a good sign. You want that sealant to leak out of there. And that is how you make your own work lights. Plug this in and see if we have any sparks. Bam! Blinded by the light. Here we go. That's a work light with LED waterproof floodlights from AliExpress, a $12 or $13 extension cord from Amazon, and that's it. They have the mounting bracket that I used as a leg. I just zip tied it to the frame. I did the other one the same, and now I can light up my work area on both sides of the car. Thanks for watching, guys. I would greatly appreciate it if you give a like and subscribe. If you do purchase from the links I'm going to include in the video description, you help support our channel. It does cost money to make this YouTube channel. Cameras, microphones, software editing stuff, just a whole the other crap. And help us out. Subscribe doesn't cost you anything. You can unsubscribe anytime, no obligation there. So I would appreciate it. Hit that notification bell, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down. Cares, concerns, criticisms, they're all welcome. Take care, guys. Stay safe out there. Take good care of your tools. They'll take good care of you. Take good care of your cars and bikes. And they should all last you a long time. And most of all, take good care of your loved ones and your family. Bye-bye. GoPro, stop recording.